I want to introduce a new product to you. Everybody understands the benefits of cryotherapy, cold therapy. This is the CF3. This is a cold therapy system created by CryoForce. So real quick, a little background. CryoForce is a company created by an individual who had not just one, but two ACL reconstruction surgeries. This was somebody that understands the value of an effective continuous cold therapy device. This person wanted something that was quiet, convenient, easy to use, and something that was accessible at home, but had the same kind of quality that you get in a physical therapy clinic after your ACL reconstruction, total knee replacement. Or if you're just like me, I'm a 51-year-old physical therapist. I'm on my feet all day. I have a little osteoarthritis in both knees. I love running, but after I do so, I tend to get a little bit of joint swelling. So I throw on a continuous cold therapy device. I reduce the swelling, I improve my recovery, and it lets me get back out on the road and accumulate my miles for the week. But anyway, I digress. Let's talk about the CF3. Let's talk about how it sets up, how I use it here in the physical therapy clinic, what my patients are saying about it. It's basically one of the easiest systems that I've had the opportunity to use. Now, full disclosure, CryoForce reached out to me. They sent me some samples. I had a chance to use it in the clinic for a couple weeks. What I am telling you is based on actual experience with real patients. Most of my clientele are adult, active, geriatric, seniors. They've been playing sports, pickleball or golfing. They've had surgery. They've been out in the community. And we're using continuous cold therapy as a way to reduce pain, reduce swelling, improve function without dependence on pharmaceuticals. So let's take a look at what you get. You get the hard shell cooler. Now, CryoForce has two other models, a CF1 and a CF2. I've shared videos on both of those. They're awesome. They're soft, compliant, cold therapy devices. They can go on a shelf. They do great. This is like the Cadillac of all the cryotherapy device. This hard cooler keeps your water cold longer. What I like to do is I like to grab a couple frozen water bottles. I use this instead of ice cubes. If you take a look inside the actual device, there are marks on the side. It tells you how much water to put in. It tells you what the maximum fill line is with your ice. So you put one or two water bottles in there, depends on the size of the frozen water bottle. You fill it up to the appropriate line with water. You close the device. You've got your AC adapter. Now this will plug into any standard wall outlet. The other end is going to plug into the side of the unit. So we're going to plug that right in there. Real quick about the hand controller. You got the 3 settings for flow rate. Flow rate is how much water is going to pump through. The more water you pump through the system, the colder the experience is going to be. It's high, medium, low. Then you have your timer. You can do a 10, 20, or 30-minute timer. You can also do continuous if you want it longer. Personally, as a physical therapist, I would rather my patient use it for 20 minutes, take it off for 20 minutes, and then cycle another 2 or 3 episodes rather than doing a longer duration. I just think it's a more effective strategy when you're cycling hot and cold, or at least room temperature and cold. But what's unique about this that a lot of the other devices on the market do not offer is this pulse setting. So the pulse setting creates almost like a therapeutic massaging effect. If you have swelling, if you have pain, this pulsing action really helps to alleviate some of those symptoms while you're still getting the benefit of the cold therapy, the continuous cold therapy. And then of course there's a start stop on and off. You can change your mode with one of the buttons. So you've got your AC adapter, and then you have your, what I call a premium style knee applicator. Premium because it's got this really soft kind of foamy material on top. You've got the section that actually goes on the knee itself. You've got your adapter right here. There's a release button on top, so this is just going to click into place. And if I was using this you know, here in the clinic, we do a lot of continuous cold therapy on the treatment table. But at home, you might put this on a nightstand. You might put this on a floor next to your recliner. You're going to apply the knee applicator. I grew up in Florida. I did a lot of fishing. We caught a lot of stingrays. That's exactly what this reminds me of. But anyway, you've got 3 Velcro straps that come with the system. The first Velcro strap kind of opens and closes the top. Now, I tend to treat a lot of patients who had a total knee replacement. They have an incision down the center of the knee. Some of my patients don't want to feel the cold therapy on the incision, but they want to surround the knee with the cold therapy. So depending on what you're looking for, you can keep these guys close together. You can separate them apart a little bit, but you've got the top Velcro strap. You've got, whoops, 2 other straps that are going to come, one longer, one shorter. The shorter one's going to go around the bottom. What I love about this Velcro is it's the kind of Velcro that doesn't feel pokey. You know, some of that old Velcro, it's super pokey. It irritates the skin real easy. This one doesn't do any of that, even if for some reason it would touch the skin. Okay, I've got the top, I've got the bottom. We have another applicator strap. Now, I tend to use this one when I'm using this on a shoulder. It wraps around the body really well to hold it in place. But regardless, we've got the knee applicator in place. We've got the cold therapy in the system. We would push the button on, set it for your preferred time, and just lay back and relax. You let it run. Cold therapy is about reducing pain, reducing swelling, allowing you to function, allowing you to recover a little more comfortably than you otherwise would without having to take other pharmaceuticals. I love this. It's a great home unit. We use it here in the clinic, so we can run it all day long. But the main thing that I want to convey to you guys is the first couple weeks after any surgical procedure, the quicker you can manage the post-surgical acute symptoms, the better you're going to do. The more you can walk, the more you can do your physical therapy exercises, your home program. It doesn't have to be miserable. CryoForce, and specifically the CF3, allow you to do that kind of stuff more comfortably. So I appreciate your time. I appreciate you watching. Again, thank you to CryoForce for sending out these samples, and I wish you the best in your recovery.